to try to create the project in design a file thumbnail. So I'll be trying to create this using Figma. Okay, first I'm gonna create a frame, and then we're gonna continue from there. So we're in like these are like different modes. I'm gonna switch to design mode and select frame, and we get an option frame presets. Well, I'm looking for like 1080p, which doesn't seems to be here. Okay, this one works, I guess. We're gonna rename it real quick. And then we need to set it to thumbnail. I don't know what it does. Okay, next we're gonna create this. First of all, I'm gonna set the background color to something. So this is the color they are using. Just pick any yellow color. Something, they're choosing a very saturated color. Anyway, next we need to create that. So I'm going to create a triangle, I mean a rectangle, and set it to 30 by 20. Oh, that's not the width, that is just the position values. So here I'm going to select, yep, so it's very small. And next we're gonna create a polygon. We're gonna resize it as well. Maybe 10 by 10. I'm gonna hold shift and rotate it, so it's gonna like rotate it, constrains the rotation. Don't know the value, must be like 10 or something. Anyway, next we will use the Boolean operation, a union, that will just join those shapes. And next we will add stroke. I'm gonna set it outside, and yep, and looks like they're using rounded corner. Okay, next we need to duplicate the icon we created, so it looks like this. So I'm gonna duplicate it, let's say 20 times. Three, 6, 7, 8, 9. So next I'm gonna wrap it in auto layout. So just click on it and press Shift A. It will put it in auto layout, and I selected hug content for the width. Now I'm gonna duplicate it, maybe like 15 times. All right, so now we have this. So next we probably want to wrap this in another auto layout, and maybe you know, adjust the gap. I feel like 50 is pretty good. So next I want to change the color of the stroke. So I'm going to select everything and I'll try to reduce the selection colors. And that does something like this. Next, I will rotate it. And scale. Okay, for the next part, we need to create this button. We already created this tooltip, right? But I'm gonna show you how to create something like this. We will be using component variants. We didn't learn that when we started learning Figma, so I'll show you how to do it. So I kind of experimented with it. So first you just need to create a component. Okay, I'm gonna set it to 30 by 20, just like we have been doing, and then select polygon and set it to 10 by 10. Also, I'm gonna flatten this because there's like gap here. I don't want that. Okay, now I'm gonna grab it and place it like this, and hold shift and rotate it to get something like this. And yep, we have everything we need. Select them and use auto layout. So let's just call this tooltip. Okay, now that we have this, we need to create a component. Okay. Also, I'm gonna create a components file and so that we can move it. We have did we create this component? So where is it? So we got the component and properties. Okay, we need to add variant. Let's just move this component to a page component, and we're gonna do some stuff here. So where is it? I have a shortcut. Press shift 2 to focus on it. So we got it. I'm gonna create a frame. I'm gonna change the fill color to something readable. Okay, now that we have, okay, we should have, what is this? This component. Let's just grab it. We have the component, we just need to add variant, and it will create something like this. Okay, first I'm gonna rename this variant. I'm gonna call this direction, and the value will be down. And for this direction variant 2, we need to set the, we need to make it, I'm gonna set it to left. To set it to left, we just need to place the polygon like this and go to variant and set the auto layout to horizontal, and then yep, something like this, and then just go and rotate it. Variant, it's left. Let's also add another variant. So we need to make top, we need to make this on top. Seems like this one's easy. So the variant is top. Let's create another variant. Okay, so we have everything we need. Select the polygon and rotate it. All right, so we have everything. I just need to change this to right. Also, what do we call this? Tooltip. We could make this, how do we like, can we like, there is no way to know like what's the name of this. Maybe we can sort of like create a section and put a name, but for now it's fine. All right, so we have that, and now we just need to bring it back. Okay, before we do that, it's pretty bare bones. I'm gonna like, yeah, we need to do some stuff to this. It does not look like this, so we need to change the background color and add some text. I forgot about that. Let's select all of them real quick and change the background color to black. And also we need to add okay, I think it's not, wait a minute. I feel like they're using auto layout and the text. Okay, so the idea is pretty similar. I did not, I was just showing you how to create variants, but this is pretty useless. We need to add text, so I need to redo this again. I need to wrap a text layer in auto layout. So I'm gonna do that and come back. Okay, I created a text wrapped in a auto layout, so we can just drag and drop it, I think. I will just remove the rectangle. Copy and paste it. I probably should have planned ahead. The width, we need to set it to our content. Top variant, let's also set it to our content. Left, also hug contents. Down, hug content. Okay, some of them are weird. Why is this not hug content? Okay, so down works. Right is weird. Okay, right is also good. Top, it's not good. Okay, top is good. And what is this? Left. So we pretty much got it. Align them into center. Where is this file? Anyway, we got it. We just need to go back and create this one, web tooltips. It's pretty easy. All we need to do is just insert the instance. Okay, I found it. I went to, I couldn't find it because I was in a different page. So if we go back to the root folder, we will be able to locate it. Components and this one, tooltip, insert instance. I'm gonna use the scale tool to scale it. Web tooltips. We just need to add the text. Web tooltips. I'm not gonna worry about the rounded corners. We pretty much have the ideas. Just bad execution. Okay, next we will add the text. Easily customizable, scalable. Just select the text tool and start typing. Easy customizable. Oh, and scalable. Okay, I'm just gonna go back and resize it real quick. And scalable. And then I'm gonna just drag it and wrap around something like this. Increase the font size to 100. Maybe we can we can't set the content to hug. It's fine, I guess. Seems like it's bold. So I'm gonna just set to bold. Okay. Now we just need to add like stuff like this. So yeah, we have like 2 column and all of them look sort of like the tooltip pointing thingy is pointing in different directions. I only have like 4 variants. They have like 8 variants, I think we could have created, but it's fine. All right, so it's pretty simple. All we need to do is just insert the instance and just start typing. I'm just gonna add dummy text. Copy it and We're gonna set to right. I'm gonna set to left. Top. Create some more. Drag it and create some more. I think there's a like smart distribute option. Like we can click TD up. Tidy up or something. Yep. Looking good. Let's group this. Let's click it and group selection. Left column. And I'm gonna group this. Rename it to right column. And I'm gonna put them in auto layout so that I can add gaps. Okay, for the final touches, we will rotate, and I'm gonna scale it. Okay, I'm looking for the like the gap. For some reason it's not, I don't see it. Why is it? Maybe like when we scale it, it goes away. Okay, I think I got it. When we have the scale property on, we don't see the horizontal gap thingy. Press this K button to scale it. So the gaps are pretty like very small. And we have a lot of gaps. So we just need to, I'm gonna select everything and put them in auto layout so that we can add a gap. Okay, that is a very like lot of gap. Let's select 40 and we're gonna do the same thing. Put it in auto layout and set the gap to 40. And then let's set it to a content. Okay, looks good. Let's scale it. Also rotate them. Okay, looks good. All we need to do is just change. We need to make this rounded column. Let's go to the main component. Kind of weird, so I'm gonna just kind of getting annoying. So I'll just change. I'm gonna make it round corner. Okay, now it's better. So let's go back to the thumbnail page and try to export it. So where is it? Thumbnail page. Export it. Do we have the option to clip it? Clip content. Okay. Export thumbnail. Okay, after exporting the image, I noticed that this component, this layer is not even in the thumbnail. So we need to move to, well, we can't move it. I renamed it to tooltip columns, and I'm gonna just move it like this. Okay, now we can export it. All right, this is the result. Okay, I am missing the another tooltip. It's pretty easy to fix, just like we fixed this. We just need to move it into the right layer, and it's gonna be fixed. All right, with that, I'll see you in the next project.